Jeżisti qbil ċar fost il-membri tal-Parlament Ewropew li ċ-ċittadinanza Ewropea m'għandix tkun għall-beħ. Dan ħareġ ċar waqt dibattitu fis-sessjoni plenarja tal-Parlament Ewropew fi Strasburgu, dibattitu dedikat fuq kif dawk magħrufa bħala l-Golden Visas qed iwasslu għal korruzzjoni u kriminalità fl-istati membri tal-Unjoni Ewropea. Fisem il-grupp tal-Partit Popolari Ewropew fetħet id-dibattitu l-MP Maltija Roberta Mezzola.
L-identità u ċ-ċittadinanza ma tistax tkun ridotta qisha xi prodott li tixtriha minn fuq l-iskaffa. Aħna rridu lil min għandu interess ġenwin li jinvesti, li joħloq ix-xogħol, li jkattar l-impjiegi f'kull pajjiż tal-Unjoni Ewropea isib il-mezz kif jagħmel dan.
Il-pożizzjoni kontra l-beħ taċ-ċittadinanza ma kienx riflessa biss minn MPs tal-Partit Popolari Ewropew, anke MPs minn gruppi politiċi oħra tkellmu kontra l-beħ taċ-ċittadinanza Ewropea, inkluż mill-Grupp Soċjalista.
EU citizenships should not be for sale. Most systems for obtaining golden visas lack transparency and accountability, especially of the decision-making process. Lack of control risks potential money laundering practices and links to criminal financing of such investments.
They do not always have good intentions, and money laundering is certainly one risk, but there is also a danger of fraud.
And this is not just about, let's say, state-facilitated corruption and money laundering, and I repeat this, state-facilitated corruption and money laundering, okay? That's what we're talking about. We're also talking about importing a security risk.
But citizenship and the right to residence is something that you earn by doing something in a country. You integrate into the community. You make an effort. It's not some kind of good that you can simply purchase for money.
It is not an accident that various golden visa schemes in the EU have been surrounded by corruption scandals. Golden visa schemes in the EU are designed to facilitate money laundering. They actually invite it. They allow dirty money to be entered into a clean economy, often through real estate with minimal checks.
The EU should ensure that the fight against corruption and money laundering is effective with in-depth monitoring of the granting of golden visas so that we ensure that criminals are not able to worm their way in because of their wealth.
And we call it citizenship by investment, but please, investment? What sort of investment is that? Investment like Pilatus Bank in Valletta, whereby a sovereign country in the Mediterranean turns itself into an Azeri colony just in order to service a few corrupt Azeri businessmen and the whole regime with it? And that's called investment? I'm very sorry.
Fid-dibattitu ħadu semmu koll MPs Laboristi Alfred Sant u Mirjam Dalli li spiċċaw kienu mal-minoranza li ddefendew dawn l-iskemi dubjużi li kif sostnew bost MPs qed iwasslu għal żieda fil-kriminalità u l-ħasil ta' flus fil-pajjiżi tal-Unjoni Ewropea. Id-dibattitu tal-lum sar wara li f'Jannar 2014 il-Parlament Ewropew kien ivvota b'saħħa kbira kontra l-iskema tal-Gvern Malti li qed ibih il-passaport Malti li jfisser ukoll iċ-ċittadinanza Ewropea.